Hi, KNES 235 winter class. This is week 3, which is our last week, believe it or not. So our PowerPoint topic this week is on stress, how to manage stress, and time management. Remember, your research paper is due. On the syllabus, it says it's due Monday, which is tomorrow, January 18th, by the end of the day. But since that's a holiday and technically the school is closed, I extended it. I won't mark it late. I just didn't change it on the syllabus, but you have until Tuesday at the end of the day to hand in, submit your research paper on Blackboard. So January 19th won't be considered late. So work on your research papers. This week, the only thing different this week, according to our routine and our schedule, is that you don't have until Sunday to respond to 2 classmates on Blackboard. You only have until Friday because Friday is the last day of the winter session. So just do everything between Monday and Friday. Same goes with the quiz. Quiz number 3, that has to be done by Friday at the end of the day because Monday, January 25th, the spring semester begins. So I'm probably going to have grades in by the end of the weekend. So make sure that you treat this week as a Monday through Friday week and just get everything in. So look at this stress PowerPoint. It's also got some really useful tips on time management as well. And you have, a few things to do this week. You need to do the journal assignment number 3. You need to do the discussion board, have your video posted by Wednesday, and then respond to 2 classmates' videos by Friday. And we do everything according to midnight to 11:59 p.m. So as of Friday, January 22nd, 11:59 p.m., this class is over. So whatever's in is in. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's been different. Here's my cat. She's on my lap. This is Chummy. Cats are very good for stress management. Let's see. So that's all I wanted to say. Oh, also there's evaluations. If you check your TU email, you can evaluate this course. I think that closes, probably when the mini semester ends. So I think check your TU email. If you have time, it'd be great. It'll help me. I don't see the evaluations until the class is over and grades are posted, and it's anonymous. But it does help me, be a better teacher and take, constructive criticism or what worked, what didn't work. And this is all different. I've never done this without ever meeting you all. So I'm looking forward to seeing your videos. I already graded 1. So I have a lot more coming in between now and Wednesday of this week. And I also like the fact that you guys are talking to each other through the discussion boards. Through having to post, a reply to 2 classmates. So, that's weird because I can't have you guys ask questions. So that's it, This is our 3rd week recording. Do your journal assignment, hand your research paper in, do the discussion board, and look over the PowerPoint slides. I think this is a really great topic. I like teaching this topic. And make sure you take the quiz number 3 by the end of Friday, January 22nd. So those of you that are graduating, congratulations. If this is your last class, those of you that are taking classes in the spring, have a good spring semester. And it's been a pleasure. Classes, it's not over, so I'm still reachable. Email me anytime, ask questions, and I will be around if you need me. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's Sunday right now, afternoon. Bye. I'm looking forward to your videos.